All right, my name is David. I'm here at Overland Expo PNW 2026. I have some interesting products to showcase. So first of all, I want to start with this ArcaneWarrior Chair right here. It's a full-size chair, but when you fold this down, it's a smaller package. Oh, sorry, I missed a wiper right here. Put that down. You carry anywhere, especially for your Jeep guys or SUV guys that don't have a lot of space in the back of your cargo. It's like a perfect chair for you to carry around. When you open them up, the micros, pop them open, just like that. You have your full-size chair right here.
All right.
Yeah. So another interesting product I want to showcase to you is this ArcaneWarrior Pivot Master 90 ladder right here. This product is awesome. Probably the coolest piece at the entire expo. Here, when you put this back, locks in place, swing it around, drop in here. Making it sound like, hey, this is like some kind of awning, but it's much cooler than that. When you try to open it, single hand, swing it up, swing it over, do lock, and then just locks it down, just like that. Here comes your ladder. It could be easy access on top of your roof, get your cargo case and stuff like that. And talking about cargo case, we do have the newest ArcaneWarrior Flex rugged case right here. It's a modular design. I have a couple different accessories for it. So this right here is one of the multi-panel accessories for inside. Oh, well, other cool things about these actually have a built-in LED lights right here. It's like a sensor light, which is really interesting. It turns on automatically. When you close the case past this angle, it automatically turns off, which I don't think anybody else has something like this just yet. And also on top, optional this multi board on top as well, which is pretty cool. And the other accessory they have, it's the little pouches on the lids. So if you want to organize your stuff, just have some cool pouches over there, you can do that as well. And come over this way, I'll show you the quick detach lock for these cases. So how this works is you press both sides, swing up, that's it, that's how I lock it. Just lock it down just like that, but it gets better. So when you open inside this, you actually have a built-in lock right here, which is just something else that nobody else is able to do right now. And these are current products we like to carry over here.
The APL 35 is the ladder, right?
It's about 30 pounds. The ladder is about 30 pounds. So this is the medium size of the ladders. There's also larger size. So that's have a longer extension. So you have a taller truck. That's what you're gonna want the option. Or if your truck is more jacked up, more lifted, you want a larger size.
Now, if people aren't here, obviously at the show to get your product, where can they go to find more information and order your products?
So these three products we just showcased, you can get them from ArcaneWarriorUS.com. That's the company name, ArcaneWarriorUS.com.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.